Hi everyone, for today's card I'm going to be using the cling stamp set called In the Moment. So you get the three ladies and then you get your In My Thoughts. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. You're always so good to others, be good to yourself. I am using this image and the saying sometimes the most productive thing to do is relax. And I've already stamped and coloured just to save some time. So the colours, just to let you know that I've used quite a few actually. Soft Suede Dark and Light, So Saffron, Light Crumb Cake, Light Grey Granite, Petal Pink for the cup and a face and a hands, and Mint Macaron for a leggings and a socks. And I kind of chose those colours based on the colours that's in this pattern paper that I'm going to use. And the pattern paper is a free pack of 12 by 12 that you can earn during celebration. So when this video comes out, I'm not sure the exact date yet, but this will come out probably sometime in July. Celebration will have started. Celebration starts for the month of July, from the month of July through July and August. For every £45 you spend in my shop and multiples of, you can choose free items. This is one of the free items. It's a pack of 12 by 12 paper, all double-sided, and you get 12 sheets. So this is the pattern that I've used, and then on the other side you've got the checks. You get two of those. The yellow one with the acorns and the leaves. And this is the reverse side. You've got the birds with this kind of like bluey green wash. You've got some houses with some like big mandalas on the back. I love this one with the mushrooms and the leaves. Beautiful for autumn cards, and that's got the rings, wood rings on the back. And then you've got this one with all the reds, I think it's Poppy Parade, and the green, and that's the back of the trees. So that's a free pack of paper that you can earn during the month of July and August. Also, if you sign up to be a demonstrator during celebration, as well as choosing £130 worth of free product of your choice for £99, there's a planner and a stamp set and some notebooks that Stampin' Up are giving you free. I think the value's £42, and the only way you can get that planner is either if you sign up during celebration, or demonstrators can purchase it in the month of June only. So, and it's a beautiful planner, so I just thought I'd throw that out there. So the card that I'm going to be making is a cutting file that's available in my cutting file shop, and it's going to be a 6x6 side stepper card. So when this folds flat, it will fit in an envelope that is suitable for a 6x6 card. So you're going to get your base card and all your layers in the cutting file, and because there's quite a few layers, it's on 2 mats. So when you download your digital file and unzip it, you'll have 2 mats to open up in Canvas Workspace if you want to open it up there, or drag it onto a USB stick. I've got mine on a USB stick, and then just put that into your ScanNCut machine, and then you can call up each mat as you wish. So on your first mat, you'll get the base card and you'll get all the layers to cut all the pattern paper. And then on your second mat, you'll get all your white layers. So I've cut 3 of the white layers because I'm going to put one here, and then when this folds up, I'm going to put one on the back, so you've got an extra space to write your message. So your base card comes pre-scored all ready for you. All you've got to do to fold. So the way I would suggest you fold this to make it easier is there's no kind of direct middle. So you'll see you've got 2 score lines on the top, 2 on the bottom, in the middle, and 2 on the bottom. You want to mountain fold the score line that's farthest to the right on the top, middle and bottom line. So just, I've got a little bit of glue on my desk there, so just slightly bend that on those 3 sections, and when you've done that, the card will push together. So I'm just going to give it a burnish now so it all sits nice and flat. And then, as I say, to save some time, I've matted my layers and I've done my colouring. So this first one's going to go on here. I mean, you don't have to do all the layers. You don't have to do the pattern paper if you don't want. You could just cut this bigger layer in white and do lots of stamping. It's entirely up to you. But you've got the layers in there, so you've got the choice. I'm just going to open this one out. This one's going to go in this top left-hand corner, like so. And then all these squares I'm going to decorate up with the pattern paper. Now, I did actually cut all this pattern paper in order so the pattern flowed, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to put them down. I don't think it'll really matter, to be honest. The paper's, you know, quite busy. It's a big overall pattern, so it's probably not going to matter. And I've cut these so they're about 1/4 of an inch smaller. But obviously I am going to try and get them so that they're all the right way up. And try and keep an even border all the way around. So while I'm just putting all these into position, I'd just like to say thank you to everybody that does shop and buy the ScanNCut cutting files from me. It really does help. Stampin' Up and my YouTube videos are my main source of income now. So for everybody that supports me, thank you very much. So I'm not going to put all the white layers on. I think I'm going to put one in the middle there and one in the middle there, and I'll just leave the others, and then, you know, you could add some extra stamping on or whatever. I'm just going to leave mine blank, I think, for now. So pop that one in the middle there. Then I'm just going to turn this over and pop this one on the back. As I say, that's just going to give you an extra space to write your message or do some more stamping if you want. And then, because I wasn't sure, there's no, in this stamp set, there's like no other embellishments. It's just the 3 main figures and the greetings. So I just thought I'd keep it fairly simple. And what I've done, I've used the 2021 to 2023 in colours. Now this green that's in here, I think is actually soft succulent or something like that, but I thought it kind of went with the mint macaron, and that's one of the beauties of our Stampin' Up products. They all do coordinate together. So that's your card. So that's called a side stepper card, and it sits up like so, folds flat to go, as I say, in a 6x6 envelope. And I think I sell a 6x6 envelope in my cutting file shop, I'm not sure. But if I don't, they're, you know, easy enough to buy. Just go on the internet and look for an envelope that is suitable for a 6x6 card, and you'll find an envelope. So that's today's project. I hope you like it. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. I am still trying to hit that 50,000 subscriber target, and YouTube keep telling me every month that a large majority of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and if everybody that wasn't subscribed did subscribe, I would well easily pass that 50,000 mark. I've got lots of products waiting to do giveaways for when I hit the 50,000. So as I say, please do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.